second hatchling. It's Mommiesaurus, joined by my Mommiesaurus. Hi, Mom. Got LJ in the back. LJ, say hi. We are heading to Indianapolis right now so that we can go get me a new car. Yay! We are going to be joined by one of the people at our church. His name is Brother Tim. So we're meeting him right now, and then we're headed up to get a new car. I'm in Brother Tim's car. He's not right here. We took a little detour so that he could get some coffee and my mom can get some gas. And you know, now I'm just waiting on him to come back to the car so we can get back to it, people. Before we go any further with this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to join my family and be a hatchling. And make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up in support of me getting a new car. Alright, hatchlings, we are looking around. I find a couple that I thought were really nice. So I'm gonna get my mom out the car, let her look at them, see what she thinks, and then we are going to go in and talk to the people and see which one I can get. We're not leaving here without a car, hatchlings. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a test drive to see how I like it. Girl got her car. I told y'all I was not leaving there without a car, and I did not. Look at me, whipping, looking good. I am super excited. Sorry the lighting's a little weird and everything, but I'm super happy. I'm super excited, and this baby can go. She is beautiful and I love her. That is number 2 thing on my Christmas wish list that I got. Yay! God is literally working for me, guys, and y'all need to get y'all some Jesus so he can work for y'all too.